LIC group gratuity. Now first let's understand what is the meaning of gratuity. Under section 1972 of the Gratuity Act, every organization which has more than 10 employees has to necessarily make arrangement for gratuity. That is, it is a mandatory requirement by Government of India. Now, gratuity is paid to employees only after they complete 5 years of service or more. It is now let's understand the formula to calculate gratuity. It is calculated as 15 divided by 26 into number of years of service rendered into last drawn salary. The most important thing is once it once the payment falls due, you have to make payment within a period of 30 days. Now you would be asking, why should I go for LIC group gratuity plan? Let's understand the benefits. Most of all, the organization which are small, their people are already rendered with workload. Again, managing a gratuity is a big task. So administration related all the aspects are taken care by LIC. So it will release your employees from gratuity activity. Second, all the funds what are kept aside for gratuity can earn a high rate of interest if it is invested properly, and LIC's current rate of interest on group gratuity is around 7.85%. Actual advice. Now what is actual? Actual means the number of mortality per thousand. So all these things or all these matters require lot of expertise which may or may not be there with the employees. So if this service is taken care by LIC, it will be in a better option. Guidance in creation of trust. Now the group gratuity, for the group gratuity the fund has to be kept aside. It can be done in three ways. Either you maintain a provision in balance sheet, or each year you keep some amount aside, or going method, every year you create a separate trust which will be taken care of that amount. So all such creation of trust and formalities require the expertise of an advocate, CA and tax consultants. But when you come with LIC or when you join group gratuity of LIC, all such matters are taken care by us. Investment issues. You may have 10 lakhs of rupees, but there are certain norms which has to be adhered to while investing in group gratuity fund. At that time that bond option may not be open. Another time you may have some working capital issue, but the period in which you have to invest, again you may or may not have that liquidity. Hence all the investment issues are duly taken care by LIC. Management of funds is essentially the most important task in gratuity. Everything is at ease when you have LIC group gratuity fund. Plan tax benefit. Now whatever funds you are having under group gratuity are eligible for income tax benefit for the organization. So again, this important task is duly taken care by LIC. Enhanced death benefit. Now what is enhanced death benefit? Suppose a person, Mr. Ajay, who is age 30, dies of an accident and is working for an organization XYZ. Now in normal cases, if he dies and if he has been working for 5 years, since 5 years for the organization, his family would have got gratuity for the 5 years of service rendered. But in case of LIC group gratuity plan, he will get benefit of 60 minus 35, that is almost 25 years of service which is left. not of what is service he has rendered. Hence, both the organization as well as employees benefit when you have a LIC group gratuity. For knowing more details, please mail me on pritisbhadge@gmail.com. Thank you.